In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to create your design. I'm just going to go and create a blank canvas over here. And then to add your text, it's super simple. You want to go to your text button over here on the left and you want to click on it. And then you have a few options. So you could either choose any of these defaults, which of course are kind of title. And then it's like a subheading over here. Or of course you also have like body text over here. So whichever one you click on, you can just start typing and it's going to get added like this. And that's of course how you add a text. You could also go and use buttons, signs, labels, speech bubbles, stickers, whatever. There's a bunch of things down here, or you could go to click on add your text and it's just going to basically manually add a text box where you can type in whatever you want. Now whenever you've done this, of course, you can then go and select your text and you can change fonts over here. You can change size, you can change the type of text, kind of if you want to position it, the opacity, etc. And you could also go and add effects onto it and animation as well. And that's essentially all there is to adding text in Adobe Express. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.